Hello everyone, this is Timothy and Lisa with the Home Hunters, and we have two homes to show you today. But first we would like for you to please hit the like button, and also if you haven't subscribed, please do that. We'd appreciate it a lot, and we do want to thank everyone for watching our channel and supporting us throughout the time we've been on. The first home is in Sedalia, Missouri, and it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 984 square feet. It's 44.9, and it's built in it says 1900, but I think sometimes they put that on there when they don't know when it was built, because we have a lot that are built in 1900. So, but it's on a lot that is 8712 square feet, and it's been on the market for only 15 days.
Now we can look at the photos of this one here. You can see the real estate agent put "Welcome Home" on here. You can see it has a very nice front porch. I like the front porch a lot. Nice railing there too. Looks like it has a ramp on the right side too. Some trees behind it also.
I like the way it looks, don't you? It's nice from the front.
Yeah.
You could put one of those swings up there. Looks like one of those houses that would have a swing.
It does, yeah. It is on a corner lot also. Looks like the main living area here has laminate flooring in here. And another area here, which is probably the dining area. It's a very large room. I mean, both these could be combined and made into just one big living area. Also laminate flooring in here. Here's the first bedroom, carpeted, couple windows. And the second bedroom. I don't know what kind of flooring that is. I'm not sure. That might just be the wood on the ground. It might need new flooring in here. The kitchen area, nice white cabinets, laminate flooring also.
Just needs a lot of paint.
Yeah, it does.
New flooring in some of the rooms.
Here's the back of the house. It has a back porch area also, and you can see the ramp better from here. And there's the backyard area. Looks like it's partially fenced in. Okay, we'll see who the listing agent is, and then we can look at the overhead amenities in the area. It was listed by Stacey Shanks, phone number 660-351-4485 with EXP Realty. Now I did find a Walmart Supercenter not too far away, just barely to the west here, very close. There's a lot of amenities in this area. There's Liberty Park also. We've got also some fast food places.
Wendy's, McDonald's.
Yeah, hotels in the area. There's a health center also.
And there's doctors around too. I see a family allergy and asthma doctor over here.
A Dollar General also.
Hotels.
Yeah. 2 Dollar Generals, look. There's one really close to the house. See?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Okay, let's see what's around here. I see Columbia to the northeast of the city, and Kansas City is to the northwest. Okay, now here's the street view.
That's pretty with a tree out there in front.
It is. Yeah.
Beautiful lot. I didn't. Yeah. You don't realize it because it's in the snow and everything's all dead and dormant.
What's the lot size again? Forgot.
Only 8,700 square feet. That looks bigger than that.
Looks like all of this would be yours, doesn't it?
Yeah, I don't see how it couldn't. I don't see another house being able to be built there.
It seems like a weird place for a house to be built. Yeah. It's a nice piece of property here, though. Nice area. Across the street, you have these couple neighbors over here.
This is like a very modern home, huh?
It is. Yeah.
It's beautiful. All the green grass. The tree.
It is nice, yeah. A couple of other neighbors over there beside you.
We see the side of it.
Yeah, I was going to look at the side actually, yeah.
I just wanted to see. It has a fence there.
On this side it has a 6-foot fence, yeah. This photo was taken in September 2024. There's the house from the side.
Nice.
It is nice. Okay, let's move on to the next house now, which is in Fitzgerald, Georgia. It's listed at $89,900. It's on 606 West Suwannee Street. Suwannee Street.
I think it's Suwannee. But...
I believe it's Suwannee, yes. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,400 square feet. It was built in 1960. It's on a 6,500 square foot lot. It has a new roof. It's been on the market for 238 days now. So a new roof, that's pretty cool. It's very valuable.
Yeah.
Very nice front
and the HVAC,
porch.
right?
Yeah. HVAC? It has new HVAC?
No, I'm just saying those are the
okay.
2 most expensive things that you
Yeah.
have to put in your home.
That's
Usually
right.
it's the roof
Yeah.
and the HVAC.
That's right. It's always good when you have those 2 things new.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one has a new roof. So.
Got a lot of points, doesn't it, on the roof?
It does, yeah. I love the front porch here. It's very nice. There's a swinging porch, and it's a wraparound porch. I was hoping for another photo of it. We'll just have to look at it from here for now, I guess. It has a hanging swing up there.
Very nice.
Lots
I love that porch.
Lots of space on it, yeah.
It's beautiful with the railing. I love the white railing.
Mm-hmm. Looks like the yard is fenced in also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here is the main living area here with laminate flooring. Looks like there's a brick structure here around the fireplace. Looks like a wood burning fireplace.
I like that flooring.
Yeah.
It's a pretty color.
Mm-hmm. It's a nice living area. And over there you can see on the left is the dining area and the kitchen. Granite countertops in the kitchen area. Stainless steel appliances also. It doesn't have a refrigerator, but it does have a stove and microwave. Double windows over the kitchen sink also.
Kitchen's cramped.
It's cramped, yeah.
And there's not even a refrigerator in there. I don't even see how that's going to fit.
Refrigerator would go over there, you see.
Refrigerator over here?
Right here. Refrigerator would go there.
I don't see how it would fit there. It looks really small.
Mm-hmm.
Laundry room. I always like to see those.
It's nice to have a separate laundry area.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure what this is. Some kind of closet area, I guess. Could be a pantry or something.
Mm-hmm.
There's no hanging area. There's like no shelves or anything, so it's unusual.
Maybe it's for your vacuum cleaner.
Could be, yeah.
Things like that.
Could be that, yeah. Here's the first bedroom here. Looks like it has some nice newer doors in here. Trim also.
I like the double doors that open up to that room. Is that double doors or?
Am
I seeing something weird?
I think
I thought there was double doors
on
opening.
the left it seems like a closet. And on the right, this is the main door that opens to the bedroom, I think.
It's weird. It's a weird picture.
Oh, it's a nice room though.
It is. I like it.
Yeah. I'm not sure what these doors lead to. One might lead to a bathroom.
It's a mystery.
Yeah. Mystery doors, yeah. And here's one of the bathrooms here. It's very renovated in here, remodeled. Nice cabinets. Laminate flooring. It's a nice bathroom. Everything's new here. Look at that. Nice clean shower tub combo. And here's
I like
the second.
that room.
Here's the second bedroom here. I like this one a lot too.
This is my favorite one.
Mm-hmm.
All those windows.
It's a little bit bigger than the others, I think, based on the way it looks. It does have 3 big windows in here. It's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
And here's the third bedroom. Pretty nice bedroom also. It has some painted paneling in here. Looks all fresh and new.
It does. This carpet always looks new, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. Here's the second bathroom here. Has a shower area. Laminate floors in here. Also, it seems to be all remodeled. I'm not sure why they're showing this stuff here. Some kind of electrical cables, possibly.
It's strange.
And there's the water heater. I don't know where it's located. I'm not sure where. Can you tell where this area is? Looks like kind of like a rough area. Huh. There's more of those cables. Okay, now there's the front porch. I'm glad they took a picture of it. That's nice. It's a way better photo so you can see it better. You can see how large it is. It's really big. Big front porch. And there's the carport area right there. It's a metal carport. It looks like it's big enough for 2 cars. Huh. It's in the backyard. It's interesting. I'm guessing you'd go around the back way to get to this. There's probably an alley behind the house. That's my guess. We'll have to look at it on Street View and see. Okay, now I'll see who the listing agent is. Listed by Byford Wagstaff. Phone number 404-694-6386 with Sangster Realty. Okay, here it is on the map right here. There is a Jerry's Grocery not too far down the way. There's also Circle K. Some restaurants in the area also. A dentist right there. A museum. Looks like there's a hospital to the south of the property also. Now let's look at it a little further off. Fitzgerald is northwest of Douglas down here. Unionville is to the southwest of the property. I can see Albany also to the west of the property. You can see Fitzgerald is more in the central south part of Georgia, west of Savannah, and east of Columbus. Now let's look at the street view. Okay, here it is on street view. You can see it's all fenced in here. A couple neighbors around you. This truck is parked in front of the house here, but I'm guessing that carport is accessible through the back of the house. We'll look in just a second. Across the street. It's pretty nice. Okay, let's go around to the alleyway now. Okay, so it looks like this is probably it right here. Okay, I think that might be it. Hard to be sure. I can't really see anything back there. There's a lot of greenery. It would be my guess that's how you would get to the back of the property, through there. Okay, now let's move on to the next property, which is in Harrison, Michigan. This one is listed at $82,000 and it's on 206 Harland Drive. It has two bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 640 square feet. This one is really nice inside, very renovated inside. It's on about 1/4 acre and it was built in 1965. It's on the market for 25 days now. It does have an attached garage and it's at the end of a dead-end road. Okay, here. You can see that 1-car attached garage right there. It's very nice. Looks like there's a deck area over there on the left of the house too. Small front porch. This one doesn't have too many photos, unfortunately. It shows the dining area here. Looks like hardwood flooring to me. There's the main living area. Laminate floors in here. Nice flooring, huh? And there's the dining area again. That's all they show, unfortunately. I wish they would have shown more of this house. It looks nice from what we can see. Okay, it was listed by Connie Tuck. Cell phone number is 989-387-5559 with Connie Lynn Tuck Real Estate Broker. So now let's look at the overhead view. Okay, I found it's a pretty rural area, but I did find a Harvey Amish Goods right down the way. So they sell stuff there. It's a grocery store. And also there is in one of the towns over, I think it's in Harrison, which is actually the town this is in. This is in Harrison, but it's more on the outskirts. But in Harrison, there is a grocery store here. Don't know where it is. I can't find it now. There's a McDonald's, look. Coffee place.
That's okay.
There are some bodies of water here in Harrison also. Yeah, I can't find the grocery store now, unfortunately, but there is one in Harrison, I believe. Not too far away. Okay, let's see where it is on the big map here. Okay, you can see kind of where Harrison is located, kind of in the middle of Michigan here. You can see Grand Rapids to the south and Midland to the southeast. Now let's look at the street view on it. Okay, here. Don't see it. Is it behind those trees, possibly? Do you think?
I don't know. Zoom in.
There's nothing really to zoom in on here. Trees mostly.
Well, back there.
Back here, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
That might be it right there, the yellow one, possibly.
It's got a metal roof.
Okay, let's look the other way. See if there's anything over here. Nah, that's not it either. Huh.
Sometimes it's hard to find these. Sometimes
Yes.
they put them on the wrong spot.
Yeah, let's compare it to the photo real quick. Yeah, it's yellow, but that one doesn't have a metal roof. It's probably somewhere back here in this area. At least we get an idea.
Drop down there.
Looks like we get an idea of where it's located. That's a good thing. Kind of get the general area that's located in.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future. And we will see you in the next one. Have a nice day, and remember, your new home could be in the next video.